Aton Jener mapacho ka Dorcas Oduor omako chung'ni ene ma en gi amuri kata sil mar piny owacho mitiyo godo e puodho winjruoge mag piny owacho e kinde ka kinde. Oduor okwedo lipode na amuri no ne ogol e lwet Aton Jener kendo ni kaka piny owacho gisiro lwedo jatend piny William Ruto maonge bagni. E wi wach duoko piny thuolo ma jatend piny bedo godo e apisi, Oduor nokoni gibiro chiwo duoko e doho kaluwore ni gin e moko kuom jogo mochwal e doho e wi wachno.
The custody of the public seal is the subject of Section 28 of the Office of the Attorney General's Act, Caps 6A of the laws of Kenya. This provision stipulates that the Attorney General shall have custody of the public seal of the Republic of Kenya. This particular provision has neither been repealed nor amended in any manner whatsoever. Accordingly, the legal custody of the public seal remains with the Attorney General, and as such, the Attorney General has and retains the in custodia legis of the public seal, namely the legal right to control, protect, and care for the public seal under the Attorney General's charge. And I am sure that we have had no problem with the issue of the public seal, apart from what is in the papers. And the government is one government. The executive is one executive. We work together collaboratively under the leadership of the President. So we are one. The Attorney General is a member of the executive under the Constitution, and the whole executive serves under the President as one, and we share responsibility. Thank you.